Hello everyone, I am Joel Nesakumar. Today I am going to make review about a research paper, networks domain. The title of the paper is Design and Implementation of HDLC Protocol using VHDL Technique. The authors are Tista Guba, Fagad Khan, Ipsita Pal, Rogan Basak and Sayed Khan. The publisher is IEEE and date of published is November 30, 2020. The DOI number is here. Now we are going to see about objective of the paper. We everyone know HDLC protocol is the protocol in the data link layer, and this protocol is accepted by the ISO. And there are uplink and downlink data paths for control data communication also. Uh, Here we have implemented this HDLC protocol using the VHDL coding and simulated the data back transmission using Intel Model Sim platform to demonstrate the transmission patterns. Here we are going to generate the data packets at the transmitter, and the same we are going to decode it at the receiver, and we have to get the original data. This is the objective of this paper. Then proposed work specified in the paper. In the transmitter section, what are all we have to what are all in the transmitter section means it consists of 8-bit parallel to serial shift register, clock generation, zero insertion, and 16-bit CRC checking, which is cyclic redundancy check. And these are all they have coded in the VHDL, and their data was wrapped according to the HDLC frame format. The frame formats are some different types also. Three types: I frame, S frame, U frame. And here the flag generation was used to detect the start and end of the data stream, and zero insertion was used to the obtain data transparency, and CRC checker is used to detect error in the signal, and CRC checker is 16-bit. And at the same time in the receiver section, after the data we send the data from the transmitter, the receiver model detects the flags to identify data, and first detects the zero insertions, and the same 16-bit CRC checker here also checks the generated polynomial, and from that we receive the error free data. So only we use CRC in that. uh, this is the design of HDLC controller they used in this paper. Achievement of the paper. Here the capability of operating is it can operate in full duplex as well as in half duplex mode also, and it can automatically check the frame sequence using CRC, which is cyclic redundancy check, to ensure I already told it is used for error free transmission. And wherever we want high data rate, we can use the HLC controller there. And the FPGA board consumes less power with a high performance, which is most important. So it is a big advantage. These are the achievements of the paper. Future work predicted by the paper. The simulation results presented in the paper can be we can use this and elaborate it for real-time applications, which are most important. We can use this in real-time application as in some of the physics experiments in future also. Thank you.